Hi, it's Phil from Teachblend, and today we're going to have a quick look at Wakelet and its new AutoSave feature. So what this means is rather than having to click File and Save and all of that, it's already automatically done. So let's have a look now at how this works. So I'm just going to create a new collection by clicking the Create New Collection button and then entering a title for my collection. For this example, Test. As you can see now, it just starts automatically saving. There is no need to click the Save button. It also works with YouTube videos and anything else you add into your Wakelet. So here I'm just going to add in a Teachblend video into the collection, and as you'll see, it just starts automatically saving. It also works when adding text into Wakelet, which is really useful because there used to be two save buttons. So now as you are typing, you'll see that there's no save button anymore and all your changes are automatically saved. I hope you found this useful. Please remember to like and subscribe to Teachblend.